继续来关心中东的战火影响全球的能源甲经济。美国的联准会决议先卖调整利率，如果全球的金融市场波动也是真大。这美股昨也继续落，道琼指数是一升落768点。
美国联准会上新的利率决策已经出来，伫个通货膨胀压力还搁伫个国际局势无确定性变悬之下，决定无要震动。
While job gains have remained low, the unemployment rate has been little changed in recent months, and inflation remains somewhat elevated. Today, the FOMC decided to leave our policy rate unchanged.
鲍尔表示，联准会商定署名是确保充分就业，而且维持2%的长期通货膨胀的目标。也毋过，伫个中东局势无够明的状况之下，经济也是充满无确定性。除了利率政策，外界也关注鲍尔伫个5月中旬过了，敢要继续做，也搁有当咧进行当中的调查案对伊的影响。鲍尔也对外回应。
And while I'm at it, on the question whether I will leave while the investigation is ongoing. I have no intention of leaving the board until the investigation is well and truly over, with transparency and finality.
联准会预期利率无要变，佮加上中东战争的影响，伊朗甲卡达石油设备受到攻击，国际油价又搁大起，即马一桶要$100是一冬以来新悬的纪录。美国主要股市全部收乌，道琼工业指数跌768点，收伫46225.15点。
And a lot of it depends on the duration of this war and how high and for how long the oil prices stay up. The other part of it is even before the war began, we had some inflation problem.
市场普遍认为，伫个战争、杀关油价、经济变数增加的状况之下，利率的政策可能维持谨慎的步调。记者综合报道。